We have Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live from Mumbai on this big political story. Pankaj, Nitin Gadkari and Devendra Fadnavis would want everyone to believe that all is well within the BJP camp. There really is no split between the two factions. But considering that as many as 44 MLAs, most of them from the Vidarbha region, are backing Nitin Gadkari, how will that reflect in the future on Devendra Fadnavis's leadership skills, considering that a large chunk of the MLAs are in fact backing Nitin Gadkari for the post that Devendra Fadnavis is most likely to bag?
See, what we are learning is that BJP's central leadership had organized the meeting yesterday between the two so that they could iron out the differences. But Aviral, the bitter truth is that the state BJP is divided between the Gadkari and the Fadnavis camp. And it's so very interesting that the muscle flexing by the Gadkari camp happened even after the BJP central leadership had made its intent clear about going ahead with Devendra Fadnavis for the chief minister's post. And before, the Shiva Sena had made its intent clear about whether they would be joining the BJP or not. But interestingly, the RSS has been very conspicuous for being aloof for all these things, perhaps realizing that both Gadkari and Fadnavis are close to the RSS rank and they would be okay with either of the two being at the top post. Right. But the fact also remains now it is the BJP High Command, that is Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, which will have to take a final decision really on this. But as you rightly pointed out, that this has clearly put out the differences in the BJP ranks, and the BJP, which really termed itself as a party with difference, that no longer exists today. I've had a word with the state BJP leadership, and they were saying that the biggest concern with the party workers was if at all the Shiva Sena joins the BJP, then they needed a person of the stature and sternness of Nitin Gadkari who could really rein in at the Sena, because after a point of time when portfolios will be shared with Shiva Sena, there could be a time when the paths could cross, and Devendra Fadnavis is not seen as a person who's very strict administrator. It is Gadkari, the political heavyweight of Vidarbha, who's seen with a stern hand. So ultimately it is the BJP leadership, specifically Modi and Amit Shah, who will have to take a final decision. But yes, as you rightly pointed out, this is going to have repercussions in the future. BJP, which really called itself as a party with a difference, has been completely exposed here, Viral.
All right, Pankaj, we'll leave it at that for now. Thanks very much for getting us that perspective from Mumbai.